How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So first thing, just head over to any file manager, and once you're inside here, just click on this Android storage. If you have SD card, just head over to your Android storage, that is your internal storage. So once you're inside here, just tap on this Android, and once you're inside your Android folder, just select this media option, media folder, just head over to media folder. So once you're inside here, you can see the com.whatsapp application folder, so just tap on that. So just follow along to my screen accordingly. So once you're inside here, finally click on this databases. So now what you need to do is just select all of these files from over here, and once you select all of these files, just click on copy and just come back over here and just select this backups folder and simply paste it over here. So once you paste the files over here, which you just previously copied it, then that should fix your issue regarding recovering deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.